阿爹哋煮到那條
啊，好靚啊！
咕撈芥，
中式
咕撈芥，
好靚啊！
大家好，
大家好，係。
Welcome back to my channel. So I'm with my dad today.
唔知道今日做乜雞啦？中式咕嚕雞，教人攞乜做
Yeah, so you probably already guessed what my dad's going to be cooking today. It's sweet and sour chicken Cantonese style.
中式咕嚕雞，中式咕嚕雞。
So with my dad's background, it's always been working in a really nice Chinese restaurant. So you've got a lot of years of experience in working in restaurants. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing how to cook this sweet and sour chicken Cantonese style, cooked by my dad, so make sure you keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and let's get straight into the video.
咁日爆喺14係 Lisa 嘅，即係14公升嘅 ，OK， 即係80公升咧一條水放落去就得㗎啦。記住啊，14公升個煲就8個 Lisa 咧嗰啲水，啊，然後就放喺火上去啦。OK， 你就冚住佢，而家等佢滾啦。啊，就見得夠就要乜切啊，就橙仔啊、蘋果啊，各個咩材料夠就要放幾度落去 ，OK。Let's
go。
嗱，今日咧就係咁多嘢啦。西芹一隻啦 ，OK。嗱，香蕉一定要熟嗰啲，唔好生嗰啲，熟嗰啲要熟咧就要香嘅。橙2個，蘋果就4個，檸檬2個夠㗎啦。咁薑咧就要磅嘅。
So just under 300 grams of gum.
Put the celery straight down here, near about inch off. Okay. The end bit, they don't want it. 1寸夠 ，OK， 1寸 ，OK。就放喺，當然熟嘅即係好簡單，可能我如果唔熟嘅就就慢慢落啦，見到係都沾得水嘅。
So leave that into soak.
Yep, 4 or 5 minutes. Bananas, just chop it off. Don't want it. 攞咪切都得㗎啦，香蕉 OK。對啦 ，must be 係熟嗰隻香蕉 OK， 熟嗰隻香蕉，剝散嗰隻香蕉。如果散嗰隻香蕉係唔香嘅，仲喺長咗啲因為冇一條飛上一啲。因為檸檬啊，檸檬再halfway 切嘅 OK。Be careful hand, don't slip your hand OK。轉頭 halfway, same thing, halfway. Okay, and just cut it out.
Wow, that's a lot of ginger.
Oh yeah.
And toge.
Yeah, under 300 grams. Okay, that's done. And then put that into the water. The water is still warm, but you can put on it. Okay. 西芹啦、檸檬啦、香蕉啦、橙啦，同埋薑啦，係最重要呢幾樣嘢啫。聽唔聽歸嘅？乜嘢啊？想飲啦，水一滾咧，你就總條叫啊，你就總條。
Wow, so this whole kitchen smells so nice because of all this. I can really smell the gingers, the oranges in this whole pot. It smells really, really nice. This is the proper way to make sweet and sour sauce.
好，15分鐘後啦，我再嚟呢度嚇，即5分最起話劑，然後就計隻黑啦，要起人用要蝦嘅，用個汁水喐下佢 ，OK， 睇嗰啲橙 ，OK， 哇，好香，睇嗰啲嘢差唔多係融化咗啦，開始啦 ，OK， 未咁快，再未咁快 ，OK， 即係喐下佢，等佢出晒嗰啲味道出嚟啊！哦，原來已經係just over 1 hour， that's it。
哇，佢婆婆帶咁多仔，唔係變得太用西流，
阿婆婆同呢條西流嘛，呢條西流啊，行到流啊，我哋喺香港度玻璃生吹，香港嗰種玻璃生吹嚟嘅。
哇，那就要睇下厚度，相嗰啲女都問題，芹菜同埋挑仔，
你喺香港種嚟嘅太貴啦，一公升1粒咧 吹筍同埋拍菜，有條氣唔切㗎，你有啲打件劑攞件毛髮唔散喎咩
That guy.
安安就係咩打件嚟啦，
看喺度一結胎，看喺度，哇好睇睇啊！喺度唔黐㗎，喺度有機料小農場，係啊，做咩結胎？
攞去試過啲料大樣嘛，要條糊嚟喎。
諗算嚟成日撞起鑊卡嚟，自家可以寫喺度菜啊。Yeah, that's just Papa. She's teaching me because she just cut all of these 有機到菜本嚟食。啱佢同我講咧，要天開射爛呢啲個咩後到嚟啊，射爛呢啲菜先可以食。Checking on。
差唔多效㗎啦。See the apple and things melting 未？知啦。OK， 得咗盡量撈佢出嚟啊！用個撈機，呢啲係嗰啲餐館咧係最好賣嘅嗰啲餐嚟㗎，呢個汁係好好賣嘅。知見啦，啱啱啫，咁可以搞水落去啦，見得起人到水人到水 ，OK， 可以交水㗎，放一羹鹽落去 ，OK。That's it. Put the fire on 4 pound. Mix it, stir it well. 咁跟住經數啦，有啲菜椒話放落去呢啦，雞椒還有隻水啦，有隻啦 ，OK。可以俾條杯佢 ，OK， 滾咗先 ，OK。Lovely colour, see that? See the colour? Perfect. Sweet and sour. That's what you need.
And if you're wondering why Dad's cooking it in such a big pot, it's because Dad's cooked obviously a lot extra to give to our family and also friends because it's absolutely delicious. Let's look at the colour.
OK。如果你煮餐各方面咧，就要放嗰啲薯仔粉啦，即係打結佢啦。而家就煮好啦，而家俾佢滾咗5分鐘就得㗎啦。咁咧呢啲船上你可以煮乜嘢餐都得嘅，全酸餐啊，放啲辣椒醬去煮嗰啲雞啊，各方面乜都得㗎啦，隨得你變化啫。係好好食嘅，乜都好食嘅。得咗得。
So that's the sweet and sour sauce.
Yeah.
And it's Dad's secret recipe.
好，搞掂啦，我搞掂晒啦。有啲雞胸啦 ，OK。如果俾一嚿，用緊一嚿肉嘅 ，OK。如果係肥嘅條咧，就係五十愛就得嘅。如果有啲人係覺得一仔嘅一盤嘅，變咗瘦瘦，好似一嚿喺度咩後盤，不過咧捱呢個幾盤都瘦瘦，錯捱可以灌撲瘦瘦嘅，除中間啦，切瘦瘦即係㗎啦。Slice it, not go from further down, just halfway, and cut it. OK。如果 further down 時咧，本身有啲後撲啦，切雞肉咧就要咁樣切嘅。睇咩後容易看到咗
Nicely cooked.
Yeah.
So this is all the preparation for the sweet and sour chicken Cantonese style.
陣間嚟都放臭鹽呢只㗎啦 ，OK， 少少鹽嘅啫，咁樣撈勻佢。
Let all the salt soak in.
入邊濕淋分鐘一隻㗎啦 ，OK， 呢個濕淋分鐘。係我有人做三分焦啦 ，OK， 佢買完隻啦，有人做焦啦嚇。
And that's the flour that Dad's used.
我放多少分鐘呀？如果我仲可以揸瘦用時 ，OK。如果餐中式過嚟計中人做 ，OK。Put some raisin flour, the water you need half cup of this first. Put on it first, OK. Half cup. That's half cup already, OK. And then put some add a little bit more water. So all you know, need about 1 cup of water. Add some water. Just move one way, OK. 一個步驟。始終你入鋪之後一個步驟就得㗎啦。Last bit 嘅時候 put water, be careful, OK? Not so much water. Just smooth it out. 如果太多水嗰條咧，成嗰條都唔得㗎啦。Make sure the flour is dropping down like that, OK? Make sure. Test it out. Put the flour up here. See it running.
Yeah.
Once it's running like that, just hold on. And then up a little bit oil, just a bit. And leave about 1 spoon, okay? And that's it. 1 spoon.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon, okay? Okay, that's it. That's all done. See that? See that? That's all done.
Yeah, so Dad's saying if you've got Yeah, so Dad's saying if you've got any questions that you want to ask Dad about this dish or any cooking questions you want to ask Dad, comment down below. Any questions? Okay, so Dad's got the corn flour.
So you need to put 1 spoon and 2 spoons. That's it. No more than 2 spoons. Okay. Mix it right. Just mix that.
And what does that help it do, Dad?
When you deep fry 就耐靚好多嘅。你可以放瘦瘦雞蛋落去啊，雞蛋教完緊，放瘦瘦去 mix 呢啲要食。OK， 整好晒啦。
Right, so Dad says this next step is really important, so pay attention, guys.
The last bit before I deep frying it. That's corn flour. Think about 250 grams, I think.
Okay. Corn flour.
Yeah. Okay. Not put the whole bag because the chicken there is not okay. The chicken is not so much there. So you need about just half bag. So that's the important part. The chicken need those gelatin flour. OK， 嗱放一條渣款咧，放一計起。OK， 如果唔夠放2羹。點解要放呢啲嘅炸粉落去雞啊？因為整個雞好脆，好好食嘅。So nice to taste.
Crispy, crunchy, nice texture.
Yep.
What batter should be.
Yeah, and then use your hand. Mix it.
What's the best way? Just get your hands and mix it all in.
Mix it all in.
In your previous Hakka cooking video, someone actually commented saying that it must be really handy to have this industrial sized wok, which is just this one behind us.
Oh, luckily, 我有呢個鑊，就係整到好容易煮飯食咯。
Yeah, we've had this wok. How old are they?
Oh, more than 20 years. Long time ago.
哇，成20年啦，啲嘅後梯啊，wok to wok 啊。
Yeah， 就按住口動住識㗎嘛。
Yeah, we always do.
Put the chicken here, lie down the corn flour， 係都幾有似㗎啦。如果撈唔夠，我放揸粉嘢，其實揸粉似到咧，條雞好靚嘅，隻揸樣。Okay, put the chicken into corn flours and make sure the flours cover all the chicken. Okay， 一時就灌下 corn flour， 抹佢都好啊，要天氣灌到雞啊。灌完順住呢隻㗎啦，有隻雞紅咧，如果揸出嚟咧，而家假絲唔要佢焦色㗎啦，其實。一雞啊，放啲喺魚咧，咁做啊，太熱就放啲 ，OK， 太熱嗰隻灌到燶喺雞啊。開雞腳啦。即係唔做放後溪布啲灌有計啊 ，OK？ 如果灌溪布啲灌啊，同你冚唔焦靚啊，後溪用啊，哦。灌有啲人喺唔食攞嚟沙嗰時，一個咁樣嘅有啲留言 ，OK？ 嗱，下次雞就幫人哋，算一隻㗎啦。唔該你夾咧，卡嚟，唱你個 golden brown 唔出隻㗎啦，一雞要調出嚟出隻㗎啦，得㗎，搞掂晒。OK。
Look at that.
See that?
Freshly cooked battered chicken.
Yep. 要洗乾淨呢個鑊，然後我教你點煮啦，就再講俾你聽你哋啦，洋葱啦、紅椒啊，乜嘢椒都得㗎，其實有 colour 睇落去啫啊，就咁簡單啊！甜酸水我準備晒㗎，而家咧我放少少油 ，OK，1 teaspoon， hot the onion very low heat，OK， 要好細火嘅 ，OK， 放 onion 就放啲 pepper 啦，我又咁放 ，OK。I want to make sure it's nice and crispy. Okay， อันนี้เสร็จกันละอย่าดูทอดอย่างนี้เสร็จกันละ我而家 put the sweet and sour sauce。อันนี้about one couple 咁上下 sweet and sour sauce. Okay, just one couple. Put about medium now. Okay, four sweet and sour sauce. And then I mix some corn flours。因為我整嘅口即係嗰啲要打片上去嘅。
So how much corn flour?
About 2 spoons. I think 2 spoons is more than enough. 攪勻佢得㗎啦。而家差唔多滾㗎啦。你睇過一滾嘅時候咧，而家半咗少咧，就放個雞落去就得㗎啦。OK。而家開始滾啦，係咪？而家放個雞啦，喺咪度？而家放個雞落去啦。I'll put some corn flour now. Okay. 以後咧，我放 corn flour 放太多，放3羹，而家加黐緊嚟啦。OK， everything. And then add a little bit of oil. That's the last bit now. Add a little bit of oil, 1 teaspoon, that's it, okay? 1 teaspoon oil. How about that? Wow. Đem lên.
Wow, Dad.
Đem lên à, cô ơi.
And that's how you do it.
Yeah.
Sweet and sour chicken, Cantonese style,
yeah.
cooked by my dad.
Dạ, trung sức của ok, see.
พ่อขนาดที่จูดาวนาเดียว
hàu len à
กูลาวไก่
trung xích
กูลาวไก่
hàu len à.
OK， 等下你睇住架先。
Dạ,夠夠。
好吃啊
哇！
好多豬料啊，呢豬料嘅即係有好多陣。
嗱，要喺南上港即係仲後識嗰個 restaurant 食飯。So I want to say thank you so much to my dad showing us how to cook this sweet and sour chicken Cantonese style dish
So I'll see
today.
you soon again.
So yeah, if there's any dishes that you want my dad to show you how to cook, just pop it all down in the comments below. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time with a brand new video.
Thank you.
Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.